Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to create a SQL database based on a Kafka data stream using MageAI. Alright, so the first step here is that we have to have a Kafka cluster online. So I have this repo where I have some Docker Compose files for one broker on Raspberry 1, another broker on another Raspberry, and on Windows. I'm gonna start it right now. And on Windows, I'm running the service Kafka and Red Panda. And Red Panda is a Kafka UI. So if everything is okay now, we must check it on. Now, yes. We have 3 brokers. Broker 3 is leader, the controller, no topics, no consumer groups yet. We already have the cluster. The next step now is to start the Microsoft SQL server. So I am running this Docker Compose right here, SQL, and this password that we are going to use later on MageAI. Let's check if the database is online. Set here. Okay, so the SQL database is online. Next step, we are going to create the database and the schema for us to get the data inside the database data schema sensors. Because we're going to read information from the HT11 sensor that is on my Raspberry, reading temperature and humidity. Right, so SQL online. Next step, we are going to start publish the messages. The code 2 is here on this repo. So we create a topic and started posting right here. Right, so we already have the data. Now we are going to start MageAI on Docker. So let's wait a few seconds here until it downloads the image. Access the MageAI through localhost. And the next step is create a new pipeline based on streaming data. Streaming pipeline, so Kafka to SQL. This will be the name of our pipeline. Next step, we create a data loader based on Kafka. Here it's gonna generate some AI code that we can easily fill with our information, right? So I'm gonna copy the server string on Bootstrap servers. Topic name. The topic name is DHT11. So DHT11. Consumer group. MageAI. Download metadata. And there are some options on encryption and options on schemas, schema registry on Kafka. For now we are gonna use it. And another thing that we can use is the offset, particularly here I will set it to get all the messages since the beginning of the topic, because if I started without this option, those options, we would just start consuming new messages from the time I create the loader. So a better option is to read all the partition. Okay, so our partition is number 0 and topic again HTML. Alright, so this is our data loader step. Next step is that we have to transform. So we have a JIT being sent to Kafka, and we have to transform it in rows, right, in tabular data. So we create a transformer. I will use Python here, and this transformers it gives us a list of messages in the string, and it will like play in loop forever. So what we have here is that for messages, let me refresh my memory right here. So for I enumerate messages, I am messaging enumerate messages, so we'll have like 1 message 1, 2 message 2, 3 message 3. On this part here we are not gonna use it. We will say now that flat result. So for this message now that I'm reading, here the field name, so temperature, I wanna say the temperature is message at temperature. That is the name of the dictionary field here. And now we can say that and the last one result. So we are opening each message, so each line of the list, we have a list of those lines, and for each one we create a variable called flat result that we are going to flatten the dictionary in tabular data and return it to the next step, that is the data exporter. We are exporting it to Microsoft SQL Server. So we have our third block here. We just have to specify table names, so schema sensors, table DHT level, temperature. Yeah, let's try to execute the pipeline. So obviously it's not going to work because we didn't give any credentials for the SQL connection, right? Let's stop it here and let's give it the right configs. So if we go right on IO config, we can see many configurations for the various data sources and data movers that exists. Our is Microsoft SQL. So the only thing that we are going to change here is the host. So I will put the server address, and the password we can put it here, but the best way to store it is here on secrets. So let's create a new secret. Let me just get the right name. So this is the name of the secret that we have to create. And here the password for the SQL connection, right? Now let's try it. Well, I think this time it's gonna work. Open database, because database is not the name that I want. So we can go here, and database is data, schema sensors. Everything will be fine, I think. Offset. I'm gonna use begin to read data since the image topic. So it's working now. We can check on SQL service that we have data on tables. Oh, it had duplicated the schema. So let's stop it. Let's drop the database. Alright. So we specify schema my IO config. Here we don't need to. And that's it. This is the pipeline. For now, we can go on triggers and run at once this pipeline. Because it's a streaming pipeline, it will be forever running here and with all the information. Right. Let's refresh. Now we can check the data. So we can each repo right here, and there are some things that it's nice not to upload, like IO config. Secrets. Everything that has caches. Logs. So I don't want it. I don't want it. Cache. What more we don't want? I think that's it. Can commit our pipeline. So now with everything set up, we can simply stop the pipeline. But be careful that each time it starts, it will get data since the beginning. Well, since the beginning, except if you change on the data loader, the offset. And then you can specify sometimes 10 or an offset, or since the beginning, and drop the table and do since the beginning. Right, so let's do a count. Count again, and now let's restart the pipeline. In some seconds we might see almost 2,000 of messages. Oh, we won't see because I changed the loader config. If we undo